Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I am here with the revision of the 13th lessons, question answers, and objectives, that is, learning about landforms. So, let's get started. The first bit given here is tick the correct answers. You need to tick the right option. So, here we go. The first one is mountains, oceans, and forests are different kinds of dash. The options are water bodies, landforms, or coast. Yes, the answer is landforms. These mountains, oceans, forests, these are nothing but the landforms, different kinds of landforms. Next question. Lowlands between two mountains are called dash. The options are plains, plateaus, valleys. Of course, they are called as the valleys. Valleys are nothing but flat land between the two mountains or hills are called as valleys. Next one, dash are good for growing crops. Plains, deserts, or mountains. Yes, of course, the plains. Plains means what? These are the flat lands. They will be best for growing the crops. Okay. Next one, forests are full of dash which give us many important things. Forest will be full of what, children? Water, trees, or sand? Yes, right, trees. And also you can see different kinds of animals in the forest. Okay. Next one, coasts are land areas next to dash. Deserts, oceans, or ponds? Yes, right, oceans. Coasts are nothing but land which is near to the water bodies, near or next to the oceans. They are called as the coast. Okay. Next one, say yes or no. The first question is, all places on the earth have the same kind of landforms. Is it so, children? No. As you move from one place to another, you can find the different kinds of landforms on the earth, isn't it? So the answer is no. The tops of plateaus are called peaks. Is it so? No. Why? Because the tops of the plateaus will be flat like a table. Okay, like a tabletop. So the answer is no. Next one, sometimes it does not rain for years in the deserts. Is it so? Yes, right. Sometimes it doesn't rain for years in the desert. So the answer is yes here. Next one, many plants and fish are found under the oceans. Yes, right. In the oceans you can find the different kinds of fishes, and also you can find many plants in it, under it. So the answer is yes. It is our duty to keep the landforms clean. Yes, of course. We live in this earth, isn't it? So it's our duty to keep our earth clean, isn't it? We are sharing our earth with all the kinds of living beings, isn't it? So the answer is yes here. Next bit is fill in the blanks, and the first one is various places on the earth look dash. Various places on the earth, they look different from one another, isn't it? So the answer is different. Next one, the peaks of the mountains are sometimes covered with dash. The peaks of the mountains sometimes will be covered with the snow. It happens usually during the winter season. Next one, most people live in the dash. Of course, most people live in the plains, flat lands. Yes. Next one, a dash is usually very hot and dry. Very hot and dry is nothing but the desert. Next one, most of our earth is covered with dash. Of course, water. Our earth is covered by water mostly. So the answer is water here. Now let's revise the question answers of this lesson. So here we go. First is the words for practice. And the first word is vacation. V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N. Vacation. Next one is landform. L-A-N-D. Land. F-O-R-M. Form. Landform. Mountains. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S. Mountains. Plateau. P-L-A-T-E-A-U. Plateau. P-L-A-I-N-S. Plains. D-E-S-E-R-T. Desert. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. P-E-A-K. Peak. Now let's revise the question answers of this lesson. The first question is, name 4 different kinds of landforms. What are the different kinds of landforms you have learned about in the lesson, children? They are the hills, mountains, rivers and plains, right? Next one. What is a plateau? The answer is a plateau is a land which is higher than the nearby land but has a flat top. It will be like a mountain only, but the top will be flat like a tabletop. Okay, that is called as the plateau. Next one. Why do deserts have less number of people and animals? Why? Because of the climate there. The climate is extremely hot in the deserts. This is the reason why you can find very few people and animal living there. Okay, it is a very hot, sandy and dry place. Not many trees grow there, so very few people and animals live in deserts. Okay, because of the hot climate, you can't find many trees in that area, so this is a reason why very few people and animals live in the deserts. Next question. Why can we not drink water from the seas and the oceans? The answer is we cannot drink water from the seas and oceans as it is salty. The water in the oceans and seas will be salty still, children. That is why it's not fit for drinking. Next one. What is an island? A piece of land with water all around is an island. Okay, a piece of land that is surrounded by water on all the four sides, that is called as the island. Well, that's it, children. It was the end of our 13th lessons revision, that is learning about landforms. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.